Oh no, the heads of the animals are gone. Friends, we gotta find them. Huh? I know. Let's find this animal. What can it be? Here it is. It's a giraffe. Go to your place, buddy. Next. I see it. It's an elephant. Here it goes. How about this animal? Voila! It's a lion, guys. Let's find this animal. Gotcha! It's a zebra! What's next? Aha! Found ya! This animal is a sloth. Which one next, guys? Right, here it is. It's a crocodile. And finally, this big guy. Yes, you. It's a bear. Woohoo! The first puzzle piece. Great, our bear. Many bears sleep during the winter because they can't find food. Bears have a great sense of smell. They can smell food from far away. How about this animal? Let's make an omelet. Oh, look at this. They're all different. Oh, it's an apple. The last one. Oh, a butterfly. I'll mix them all together. Wow, sparkly eggs. Let's check what's inside. A puzzle piece. Let's put it in its place. It's a rabbit. There are around 50 kinds of bunnies. Rabbit teeth never stop growing. Let's complete this animal. I'll check this egg. Yay, it's here! This is a chick. Chicken can recognize faces and they also see dreams. Chickens can see in color very well. Next, this animal. This is gonna be fun. Let's start with this one. It's a bird. And this? Oh, it's a frog. Next one. It's a squirrel. And what's this? It's a chicken. Next. Aha! It's a fish. And this one is a dog. How about this? It's a rabbit. Next one. It's a mouse. What's this? It's a cat. It's a big animal. A bear. And finally, a sheep. Where do they all live? Yes! What about the fish? Right! The dog lives in the doghouse. And the sheep lives in the barn. Oh, look, a puzzle piece. Let's put it right here. It's a cat. Cats have unique nose prints like people have fingerprints. Cats have excellent night vision. Cats can jump very high. Next one. Let's check just what we need. Here you go, it's a squirrel. Squirrels hide food in different places. Their long, fluffy tails help them balance and keep them warm. We'll complete this animal next. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. What's in here? This is a cow. Let's check this box. It's a cat. What do you think is in here? A dog. How about this green box? A rooster. Let's check this one. Look, it's a fish. And something else. A piece of the puzzle. Here it goes. It's a deer. Only male deer have antlers on their heads. Deer are social animals that travel in groups. Next animal. This bird is a goose. And this little guy? Right, it's a rabbit. This is a sheep. And do you remember this animal? Yep, it's a rooster. And this animal is going to help us. Hocus pocus! Complete. This is a cow. Cows love being with their friends and family members. They're also very smart animals that can solve simple problems. Now it's turn for this animal. But first, we need to fill all these empty spaces. Let's start. Gotcha! It's a rooster. Must be something big. Aha! A house. Next, a pig. This place belongs to a cow. How about this animal? I see it. It's a horse. Do you know what it is? It's a tree. And this one? Look, it's a tractor. And this is, can you guess? A goat. This missing animal is a goose. And the last animal! Woohoo! Have you seen that? The last puzzle piece. Here it goes. It's a sheep. Each sheep has its own personality. Sheep live in groups and recognize other sheep by their faces. Let's complete this animal. Let's play with shapes. This one fits here. Now, a smaller one. And the smallest in the middle. It's a pentagon. Next one. Here it is. It's a square. Let's find this shape. Aha! It's a triangle. And this one? Right! It's a rectangle. And the last one. It's a circle. We've got a reward. Here it goes, a fox. Foxes speak to each other using 40 different calls. These animals often hide food for later. The next animal. We gotta put the balls into the cups. Purple. Orange. Light blue. Green. Red. Yellow. White. Pink. Blue. Brown. Gray. And black. Yay, new puzzle pieces! This one belongs to a wolf. Wolves are part of the dog family. They use howling and body language to communicate. Wolves can live for 13 years and longer. Now let's complete this animal. Here's the head. This is a raccoon. Raccoons are smart and can remember things for many years. Using their long, flexible fingers, raccoons can open doorknobs. We've got just one animal left, this little guy. What's this? What if I pull? Oh, look what we've got here, a dog. Let's check what's inside. A yellow brick. A red cylinder. A green brick. And a blue brick. The last puzzle piece. It's a dog. Dogs sweat through their paws, not skin. They also pant to cool themselves down. That's it, guys. Our puzzle is complete. Great job. Thank you for playing with me. See you soon. Bye.